Right, so I got a request the other day about these clips that go in here, little blue ones that always break and they just sit here dangling doing nothing. Same clip as that goes down there. Now I've made a replacement, which is you literally just cut the other one out, leave all your wires where they are. This thing literally slots over the wires. I'm going to try to do this one-handed, it's not too hard. Slot over the wires, like so. And get that little inside. I'm going to have to put my phone down to get this to slot over that. Just give me 1 sec. Right, so it slots in like that. Nice and easy. There's a little groove there that slots into this hole. So it is a little bit tight to get in, which is on purpose. Just push it in. Like that, with a satisfying click, she's in. She's not going nowhere. Anybody interested in some of these? Visit our website, thathelloguy.com.au.